Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most dazzling and powerful heroes in the game. Meet Luna Snow, the K-pop superstar turned superhero. With her light and dark ice powers, she puts on a spectacular show both on and off the battlefield. Luna Snow's abilities make her a versatile and formidable strategist hero. Let us delve into abilities. Light and dark ice. This ability allows her to shoot 3 frost shards per round that deal damage to enemies and heal allies. The ability is a triple shot that hit instantly, dealing 20 damage per round and healing 20 health per round. It has 30 ammo and a fire rate of 0.5 seconds for 3 shots, with the interval between the first 2 shots being 0.05 seconds. The damage fall-off begins at 20 meters, decreasing to 60% at 40 meters, and it can deal critical hits. Luna Snow's ultimate ability is called Fate of Both Worlds. This ability allows her to take center stage and start dancing, providing one of 2 different effects that can be toggled, healing or damage boost. The ability lasts for 12 seconds and affects all allies within the radius around her. The healing dance provides massive healing per second and bonus health, while the damage boost dance increases damage from all sources by 40%. Luna Snow also gains 40% increased movement speed during the dance and becomes immune to all forms of crowd control. Ice Arts. This ability temporarily enhances her primary fire for 6 seconds, allowing her to shoot 5 shards of ice instead of 3 for increased power. These projectiles have piercing properties, enabling them to both damage enemies and heal allies caught in their straight-line trajectory. The ability deals 50 damage per round and heals 75 health per round. It has a cooldown of 15 seconds and a fire rate of 1.43 shots per second. The range is a cylindrical spell field with a radius of 1 meter and a height of 40 meters. Share the stage. This ability allows her to place a buff called Idle Aura on an ally. Allies with Idle Aura also restore health when Luna Snow is healing others. If Luna Snow directly heals the target with Idle Aura, they gain a 35% increased healing boost from her abilities. Absolute Zero. This ability allows her to shoot a large block of ice that deals damage on impact and freezes enemies for 2.7 seconds. This versatile tool can be used for defense to avoid dives or for offense to pin down key targets. It can even interrupt ultimates, such as Scarlet Witch's Reality Erasure or Spider-Man's Spectacular Spin. Cast a clump of ice to freeze the hit enemy and restore health. This ability deals 50 damage, has a projectile speed of 60 meters per second, and freezes enemies for 2.7 seconds. However, if they are attacked during the last 2.2 seconds of the freeze, the effect will be cancelled. Smooth Skate. This ability allows her to start ice skating after moving forward for 0.5 seconds, granting her 60% increased movement speed and enabling higher jumps. This ability is useful for quickly repositioning herself in a fight or moving fast from spawn to objectives. Luna Snow has a passive ability called Cryo Heart. This ability automatically restores health whenever she casts Ice Arts or Absolute Zero. Specifically, it heals 30 health per second for 3 seconds, providing Luna Snow with a small heal over time effect that enhances her survivability in battles. Luna Snow has a passive team-up ability called Icy Disco. This ability allows her to infuse ice energy into Namor and Jeff the Land Shark, enabling them to tap into this ice energy to power up their abilities at will. The team-up bonus provides a 15% healing boost, making it a valuable asset for enhancing the effectiveness of their abilities. Frozen Kai. This ability allows Iron Fist to channel the Kai of Shu Lao into Luna Snow, transforming her ice power into a Kai-infused frosty ring that radiates from her. This ring can knock back enemies with chilling damage and applies a slowing effect while simultaneously healing her allies. Music makes people happy. Heroes make them safe. Maybe I can do both. Luna Snow is not just another K-pop superstar. She is a beacon of hope for her generation. With her ice powers, she works to keep global tensions cool, acting as a musical diplomat ready to tackle any conflict that comes her way.
It's okay, admit it. You made me grow up.
Back to face.
I was worried. Be your best self.
You're gone.
It's okay, admit it. You need me.
Luna Snow is a long-range strategist with a high healing output, capable of enhancing her abilities and providing powerful area of effect restoration. She has slightly higher maximum health compared to other strategists. Notably, Luna Snow is the only strategist in the game with 2 key passive abilities, Cryo Heart and Smooth Skate.
I am ready to put on a show! Grow up!
Leave them to Khonshu. You're gone.
It's okay, admit it. You need me. Hey there! Welcome here.
Khonshu is unimpressed.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Be your best self. Snowball fights. I like the cold. Be your best self. It's yours to capture now.
Free. See? I'm fucking helpful.
Missionary is yours.
Leave them to Khonshu.
I don't have to be center stage. I am ready to put on a show.
Bad guys won't like
Hey,
this.
Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier!
I am Groot.
Join Luna Snow in Marvel Rivals. Master her abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of ice and music.